Hello grade 2, how are you? Today we're gonna start with chapter 4, lessons from 31 to 40. Let's start with commutative property. Our rule in commutative property, we can switch a dens and the sum will not change. What is the meaning of a dens? The numbers to be added together are called a dens. For example, 5 plus 4 equals 9. 5 called a dent, 4 called a dent, and 9 called sum. For example, 5 plus 7 equals what? After 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, let's switch our addends. 7 plus 5. After 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So, also 12. So, we can switch addends and the sum will not change. Now, complete using the commutative property. Number 1, 25 plus 3. Let's remember our rule. We can switch addends and the sum will not change. So, 25 plus 3, after 25, 26, 27, 28. Now we can switch addends and the sum will not change. So, 3 plus 25 also equals 28. Number 2, 11 plus 9. After 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now, let's switch our addends. 9 plus 11 also equals 20. Number 3, 52 plus 6. After 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58. Let's switch our addends. 6 plus 52 equals, yes, also equals 58. Number 4, 21 plus 5. After 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Let's switch our addends. 5 plus 21 also equals 26. Number 5, 13 plus 6. After 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Let's switch our addends. 6 plus 13 equals, yes, equals 19. Problems below. Then rewrite the problems by switching the addends and solve the new problems. Problem number 1, 14 plus 4. After 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Let's switch our addends. Do you remember our rule? We can switch addends and the sum will not change. So, 4 plus 14 equals 18. Problem number 2, 9 plus 15. After 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So, 9 plus 15 equals 24. Let's switch our addends. 15 plus 9 equals, yes, 24. Problem number 3, 12 plus 8. After 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. So, 12 plus 8 equals 20. Let's switch our addends. 8 plus 12 equals 20. Number 4, 8 plus 9. After 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 8 plus 9 equals 17. Let's switch our addends. 9 plus 8 equals 17.
Now open page 44. Solve the problems below, then rewrite the problems by switching the addends and solve the new problems. 14 plus 4. How can we solve 14 plus 4? We can use double mental strategy. 4 plus 4, yes, 8. So 8 plus 10, excellent, 18. Now we will switch addends. So 4 plus 14 equal also 18. Now example number 2. 9 plus 15. Yes, we can use counting on strategy. 15 in your mind, 9 in your hand. After 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So we will switch the addend. 15 plus 9 also will equal 24. 12 plus 8. How can we solve 12 plus 8? Yes, we can make a family of 10. Which is the family of 10? 2 and 8. Right. 2 and 8 equal 2 plus 8 equal 10. 10. We have here 10. 10 plus 10 equal? Yes, 20. So switch the addends. 8 plus 12 equal also 20. 8 plus 9. We can use what? Which mental we can use? Yes, we can use counting on mental strategy. Yes. 9 in your mind, 8 in your hand. After 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So 8 plus 9 equal 17. So switch the addends. 9 plus 8 equal 17.
Let's move to a new topic, counting on. Counting on means go forward. Go forward. For example, 6 plus 3. You will stand on 6 and go forward 3 steps. After 6, 7, 8, 9. So 6 plus 3 equals 9. Another example, 23 plus 3. Let's go forward 3 steps. After 23, 24, 25, 26. 23 plus 3 equals 26. Another one, 75 plus 6. Let's go forward 6 steps. After 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80 and 81. Now let's play a game. I will give you some numbers to add the sum. 13 plus 3. Put the big number on your mind and small number in your fingers. 13 on your mind, 3 on your fingers. After 13, 14, 15, 16. Number 1. 41 plus 5. After 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46. Number 2. 56 plus 2. After 56, 57, 58. Number 3. 65 plus 3. After 65, 66, 67, 68. Number 4. 54 plus 5. After 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59. 5. 24 plus 2. After 24, 25, 26. Let's move to counting back. Counting back means go backward. Go backward. For example, 6 minus 3. We will count back 3 steps. 6, before 6, 5, 4, 3. So 6 minus 3 equals 3. Another example, 15 minus 3. We will count back 3 steps. Before 15, 14, 13, 12. So 15 minus 3 equals 12. Another one, 37 minus 6. We will go backward 6 steps. Before 37, 36, 35, 34, 33, 32, 31. So 37 minus 6 equals 31. Now let's play a game. I will give you some numbers and using counting back strategy to find the difference. 61 minus 3. We will go backward 3 steps. What is before 61? 60, 59, 58. Number 1. 53 minus 3. What is before 53? 52, 51, 50. Number 2. 25 minus 2. We will go backward 2 steps. What is before 25? 24, 23. Number 3. 65 minus 2. We will go backward 2 steps. What is before 65? 64, 63. Number 4. 22 minus 5. We will go backward 5 steps. What is before 22? 21, 20, 19, 18, 17. Number 5. 36 minus 2. We will go backward 2 steps. What is before 36? 35, 34. Reflect in your learning. How did you use mental math strategies to solve the problems? How did you help each other solve the problems? Now we have 2 equations and we will use 2 strategies to solve it. Equation number 1, 13 plus 3. Now we will use double mental strategy. What is the double of 3? 3 plus 3 equals 6. 6 plus 10 equals 16. Equation number 2, 41 plus 5. Now we will use counting on strategy. So we will go forward 5 steps. After 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46. Let's move to decomposing. What is the meaning of decomposing? Decomposing is when we break the number into parts. Decomposing is when we break the numbers into parts. For example, 78. First, let's put the places. 8 in ones, 7 in tens. In tens, how many zeros do we have? Yes, we have only 1 0. So we will put 7 with 1 0. It will be 70. In ones, how many zeros do we have? Nothing. In ones, we don't have any zeros. So we will put 8 as it is. So 78 means 70 plus 8. Now let's practice. Decompose 35. First step, put the places 5 in ones, 3 in tens. In tens, how many zeros do we have? Yes, only 1 0. So we will put 3 with 1 0. It will be 30. In ones, how many zeros do we have? Nothing. Put 5 as it is. Now let's draw sticks in tens, small squares in ones. In tens, 3. So we will draw 3 sticks. In ones, 5. So we will draw 5 small squares. Another example, decompose 52. First step, put the places 2 in ones, 5 in tens. How many zeros in tens? 1. So it will be 50. In ones, how many zeros do we have? Nothing. Put 2 as it is. So 52 equals 50 plus 2. Let's draw sticks in tens, small squares in ones. In tens, how many numbers do we have? 5. So we will draw 5 sticks. In ones, 2. So we will draw 2 small squares. Each number in 2 ways. Draw sticks to show tens and dots to show ones. Then write the tens and ones in the number box. Number 1, 42. First step, put the places ones and tens. 2 in ones, 4 in tens. First, let's draw sticks in tens, small squares or dots in ones. How many numbers do we have in tens? 4. So we will draw 4 sticks in tens. How many numbers do we have in ones? 2. So we will draw 2 small squares in ones. Let's decompose 42. How many zeros do we have in tens? Only 1. So 4 with 1 0, it will be 40. How many zeros do we have in ones? Nothing. So 2, it will be 2 as it is. Number 2, 37. Let's draw sticks in tens and small squares in ones. How many numbers do we have in tens? 3. So we will draw 3 sticks in tens box. How many numbers do we have in ones? 7. So we will draw 7 small squares in ones box. Let's decompose 37. 3 in tens, it will be 30. 7 in ones, it will be 7 as it is. Number 3, 56. Let's draw sticks in tens, small squares in ones. How many numbers do we have in tens? 5. So we will draw 5 sticks in tens box. How many numbers do we have in ones? 6. So we will draw 6 small squares in ones box. Let's decompose 56. 5 in tens, it will be 50. 6 in ones, it will be 6 as it is. Number 4, 22. Let's draw sticks in tens and small squares in ones. 2 in tens, draw 2 sticks in tens box. 2 in ones, draw 2 small squares in ones box. Let's decompose 22. 2 in tens, it will be 20. 2 in ones, it will be 2 as it is, without any zeros. Number 5, 62. Let's draw 6 sticks in tens box, 2 small squares in ones box. Let's decompose 62. 6 in tens, it will be 60. 2 in ones, it will be 2 as it is. Number 6, 85. Let's draw 8 sticks in tens box. 5 small squares in one box. Let's decompose 85. 8 in tens, it will be 80. 5 in ones, it will be 5 as it is. 23 chocolate cookies. He also bought 35 vanilla cookies. How many cookies does Hassan have in all? Do you remember? In all is a keyword for what? Yes, is a keyword for addition. So 23 plus 35. Let's put ones with ones and tens with tens. 3 plus 5 after 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 plus 3 after 3, 4, 5. So 23 plus 35 equals 58. Let's draw our sticks and small squares. 23. How many sticks do we have? 2 sticks. How many small squares? 3. 35. How many sticks do we have? 3. How many small squares? 5. 58. How many sticks? 5. How many small squares? 8. Let's decompose 23. 20 plus 3. Let's decompose 35. 30 plus 5. Let's decompose 58. 50 plus 8. Another story problem. Read the story problem and choose and decompose to solve. Mariam found 68 seashells on the beach. Her sister found 21 seashells. How many seashells did they find in all? In all is a keyword for addition. So 68 plus 21. Let's put ones with ones and tens with tens. 8 plus 1 equals 9. 6 plus 2 after 6, 7, 8. So 89. 68. Let's draw our sticks and small squares. 68. How many sticks? 6. So we will draw 6 sticks. How many small squares? 8. So we will draw 8 squares. Or 8 small squares. 21. How many sticks? 2. How many small squares? 1. 89. How many sticks? 8. How many small squares? 9. Let's decompose 68. In tens, how many zeros? Yes, 1 0. So 6 with 1 0, it will be 60. In ones, how many zeros? Nothing. So 8, it will be 8 as it is. Let's decompose 21. In tens, 20. In ones, 1 as it is. Let's decompose 89. 80 plus 9. Aisha went on a bag hunt. She counted 62 ants and 26 crickets. How many bugs did she find in all? In all is a keyword for what? Yes, in all is a keyword for addition. So 62 plus 26. Ones with ones and tens with tens. 2 plus 6 equals 8. 6 plus 2 equals 8. Let's draw our sticks and small squares. 62. How many sticks? Yes, 6. How many small squares? 2. 26. How many sticks? 2. How many small squares? 6. 88. How many sticks do we have? 8 sticks. How many small squares? Also 8 small squares. Let's decompose 62. 60, 2. So it will be 60 plus 2. Let's decompose 26. 20 plus 6. 88. Let's decompose 88. 80 plus 8. Store problem number 3. Layla has a collection of stickers. She has 54 car stickers and 44 superhero stickers. How many stickers does Layla have all together? All together is a keyword for what? Yes, is a keyword for addition. So 54 plus 44. Ones with ones. 4 plus 4 equals 8. 5 plus 4 equals 9. 98. Let's draw our sticks and small squares. 54. How many sticks do we have? 5. 5 sticks. How many small squares? 4 small squares. 44. How many sticks do we have? 4. How many small squares? 4 small squares. 98. How many sticks do we have? 9 sticks. How many small squares? 8 small squares. Let's decompose 54. 50 plus 4. Let's decompose 44. 40 plus 4. Let's decompose 98. 90 plus 8. Learning, which decomposition method do you like the most? Use that method to find the sum of 57 and 31. I like decomposing by place value. 57 plus 31. Ones with ones. 7 plus 1 equals 8. 5 plus 3. After 5, 6, 7, 8. 88. Let's decompose 57. 50, it will be 50. And plus 7. Let's decompose 31. It will be 30 and 1. Let's decompose 88. It will be 80 and 8. Made 37 biscuits with her mom. They ate 25 biscuits. How many biscuits were left? Left is a keyword for what? Yes, left is a keyword for subtraction. So 37 minus 25. Let's start with ones. 7 minus 5. Count from small to big. After 5, 6, 7. How many fingers? 2 fingers. 3 minus 2, 1. So 37 minus 25 equals 12. 37. How many sticks do we have? 3 sticks. How many small squares? 7 small squares. Let's decompose 37. 30 plus 7. Let's decompose 12. 10 plus 2. Let's move to next story problem. Rashida had 26 dates. She gave 13 to her sister. How many dates does Rashida have left? Left is a keyword for subtraction. So 26 minus 13. Let's start with ones. 6 minus 3. After 3, 4, 5, 6. How many fingers? 3. 2 minus 1 equals 1. So 26 minus 13 equals 13. 26. How many sticks do we have here? 2 sticks. How many small squares? 6 small squares. Let's decompose 26. 20 plus 6. 26 minus 13. So we will cancel 3 small squares and 1 stick. So the remainder will be 1 stick and 3 small squares. Let's decompose 13. 10 plus 3. Let's move to next story problem. Samir had 65 coins in his collection, but then he lost 24 of them. How many coins did he have left? Left is a key word for subtraction. So 65 minus 24. Let's start with ones. 5 minus 4 equals 1. 6 minus 2, count from small to big. After 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many fingers? 4. So 65 minus 24 equals 41. 65. How many sticks do we have? 6 sticks. How many small squares? 5 small squares. Let's decompose 65. 60 plus 5. 65 minus 24. So we will cancel 4 small squares and 2 sticks. So the remainder, it will be 4 sticks and 1 small squares. Let's decompose 41. 40 plus 1. Next story problem. Camila sewed 59 beads on her dress. Unfortunately, 16 of them fell off. How many beads were left on her dress? Left is a key word for subtraction. So 59 minus 16. 9 minus 6 equals 3. 5 minus 1 equals 4. So 59 minus 16 equals 43. 59. How many sticks do we have? 5 sticks. How many small squares? 9 small squares. Let's decompose 59. 50 plus 9. 59 minus 16. So we will cancel 6 small squares and 1 stick. So the remainder, it will be 4 sticks and 3 small squares. Let's decompose 43. 40 plus 3. One addition story problem and one subtraction story problem. First one, Ahmed has 5 pens. Adam has 10 pens. How many pens will they in all? In all is a keyword for addition. So the total 5 plus 10 equals 15 pens. Second story problem. Dad gave me 50 pounds. Mom took 30 pounds from them. What is the remain? The remain means subtraction. So the remain 50 minus 30 equals 20 pounds. Now let's move to estimation. Estimation means to find the closest friendly number. How? First step, find the tens or hundreds the number is between. Second step, look at ones. If 5 or more, go to bigger door. For example, 28. We must draw the number line. 28 is between what and what? Look, 28 is between 20 and 30. Second step, look at ones. Ones is 8. 8 more than 5. So 5 or more, go to bigger door. 8 more than 5, so go to bigger door. So it will be 30. Now let's practice. Estimate 55. First, we must draw the number line. 55 between what and what? Yes, 55 between 50 and 60. Second step, look at ones. Don't forget, 5 or more, go to bigger door. Now in ones, we have 5, so we will go to bigger door. So 55, it will be 60. Another one, estimate 13. 13 is between what and what? Look at the number line. 13 between 10 and 20. Second step, look at ones. Here we have 3. 3, 5 or more? No, 3 less than 5. So we will stay in the same door. So 13, it will be 10. Another one, estimate 97. 97 between what and what? Look at the number line. 97 between 90 and 100. Look at ones. 5 or more, go to next door. Here we have 7. 7 more than 5. So we will go to next door. It will be 100. To estimate the answer to the problems, do not solve the problems. Problem number 1, 43 plus 42. First, we must estimate. Let's estimate 43. 43 between what and what? Between 40 and 50. Second step, look at ones. Ones is 3. 3 less than 5, so we will stay in the same door. 43, it will be 40. Plus 42. Let's estimate 42. 42 between 40 and 50. And ones is 2. 2 less than 5. So we will stay in the same door. 42, it will be 40. 40 plus 40 equals 80. Number 2, 23 plus 58. Let's estimate 23. 23 between what and what? Between 20 and 30. Look at ones. Ones is 3. 3 less than 5. So 23, it will be 20. 58. 58 between what and what? Between 50 and 60. Ones is 8. 8 more than 5. So you will go to next door. So 58, it will be 60. 20 plus 60 equals 80. Number 3, 51 minus 24. 51. Between what and what? Between 50 and 60. Ones is 1 less than 5. So 51, it will be 50. 24. Between what and what? Between 20 and 30. Ones is 4 less than 5. So 24, it will be 20. 50 minus 20, 30. Number 4, 67 plus 25. Let's estimate 67. 67 between what and what? Between 60 and 70. Look at ones. Ones is 7. 7 more than 5. So we will go to next door. 67, it will be 70. 25. 25 between 20 and 30. Look at ones. Ones is 5. 5 or more, go to next door. So 25, it will be 30. 70 plus 30 equals 100. Number 5. Sheba had 33 LE. She earned an additional 29 LE doing her chores. Estimate how many LE she has now. Let's estimate 33. 33 between 30 and 40. Once it's 3, 3 less than 5, so it will be 30. 29. 29 between 20 and 30. The ones is 9. 9 more than 5, so we will go to next door. So 29, it will be 30. 30 plus 30 equals 60. Number 6. Raj has a 64 minutes train ride. He has been on the train for 32 minutes. Estimate how many minutes are left on his train ride. Left is a keyword for subtraction. So first we will estimate 64. 64 between what and what? Between 60 and 70. Look at ones. Ones is 4 less than 5. So 64, it will be 60. 32. 32 between 30 and 40. Look at ones. Ones is 2. So we will stay in the same door. So 32, it will be 30. 60 minus 30 equals 30. Let's move to lesson 37. Number 1. First, circle the numbers in the tens and ones place and add them together to estimate the sum. Number 2. Then decompose the numbers into tens and ones. 3. Find the sum. 4. Finally compare the sum to your estimate. Are they close? 47 plus 24. First, let's estimate 47. 47 between what and what? Between 40 and 50. Look at ones. Ones is 7. 7 more than 5. So we will go to next door. So 47, it will be 50. Let's estimate 24. 24 between 20 and 30. Look at ones. Ones is 4. 4 less than 5. So we will stay in the same door. So 24, it will be 20. Let's add 50 plus 20. 50 plus 20 equals 70. Now let's decompose 47. 47. 40 in tens, 7 in ones. Let's decompose 24. 20 in tens, 4 in ones. Now we want to add tens together. How many tens do we have in 47? Here we have word tens. So we must cancel zeros. So we have only 4 tens. 4 tens. In 24, how many tens do we have? 20 tens? No, we must cancel zeros. So we have 2 tens. Let's add tens together. 4 plus 2. After 4, 5, 6. The total of tens, 6 tens. Let's add ones together. How many ones do we have in 47? Yes, 7 ones. 24, how many ones do we have? 4 ones. 7 plus 4, after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Tens total. Tens total is 6. Ones total is 11. Let's add 6 plus 11. 6 tens equals what? If we cancel word tens, we must put 0. So 6 tens equal 60. Plus 11. So 60 plus 11 equals 71. First example, 26 plus 38. How many sticks do we have in 26? Yes, 2 sticks. How many small squares? 6 small squares. How many sticks do we have in 38? 3 sticks. How many small squares? 8 small squares. Now let's add 26 plus 38. Now we must regroup. 6 plus 8. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I will write 4 and carry up 1 in tens. 1 plus 2 equals 3. 3 plus 3 equals 6. So the total is 64. Example number 2. 56 plus 35. How many sticks do we have? 5 sticks. How many small squares? 6 small squares. In 35, how many sticks do we have? 3 sticks. How many small squares do we have? 5 small squares. Now let's add 56 plus 35. 6 plus 5. After 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We will write 1 and carry up 1 in tens. 1 plus 5 equals 6. 6 plus 3 equals 9. 91. Next one. 28 plus 54. 28. How many sticks do we have? 2 sticks. How many small squares? 8 small squares. In 54, how many sticks do we have? 5 sticks. How many small squares? 4 small squares. Now let's add 28 plus 54. 8 plus 4. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we will write 2 and carry up 1 in tens. 1 plus 2 equals 3. 3 plus 5 equals 8. 82. Next one. 29 plus 43. In 29, how many sticks do we have? 2 sticks. How many squares? 9 small squares. 43. How many sticks do we have? 4 sticks. How many small squares? 3 small squares. Now let's add 29 plus 43. 9 plus 3. After 9, 10, 11, 12. So we will write 2 and carry up 1 in tens. 1 plus 2 equals 3. 3 plus 4 equals 7. 72. Let's move to math journal. Reflect in your learning. What do you think happens when there are too many tens in the tens place? If adds in tens or 10 or more, take the extra to the next door. Hundreds door. Select cards and record the numbers to create a dance. Draw tens sticks and ones dots to show each numbers. Find the sum, regroup if needed. First card, 12. How many sticks do we have here? 1 stick. How many small squares? 2 small squares. Next card, we have 24. How many sticks do we have here? 2 sticks. How many small squares? 4 small squares. Let's add 12 plus 24. 2 plus 4. After 4, 5, 6. 1 plus 2 equals 3. So, 36. Number 2. First card, 38. How many sticks do we have? 3 sticks. How many small squares? 8 small squares. Next card, 11. How many sticks do we have? Only 1 stick. How many small squares? Only 1. Let's add 8 plus 1, 9. 3 plus 1, 4. 49. Number 3. First card, 15. How many sticks do we have? 1 stick. How many small squares? 5 small squares. Next card, 51. How many sticks here? 5 sticks. How many small squares? Only 1. Let's add 5 plus 1 equals 6. 1 plus 5 equals 6. 66. Number 4. First card, 35. How many sticks do we have? 3 sticks. How many small squares? 5 small squares. Next card, 41. How many sticks do we have? 4 sticks. How many small squares? Only 1. Let's add 5 plus 1 equals 6. 3 plus 4, after 4, 5, 6, 7. 76. Every two numbers together to find the sum, and finally we will put the result together to find the sum. For example, here we have 25 plus 14 plus 35 plus 17. So we will put 25 plus 14 first, and we will find the sum. 25 plus 14 equals 39. Then we will put 35 plus 17 and find the sum. So 35 plus 17 equals 52. And finally we will put the result together. So we will put 39 plus 52 equals 91. Let's go to number 2. 13 plus 17 plus 22 plus 29. Let's put every two numbers together. So 13 plus 17. 3 plus 7, after 7, 8, 9, 10. So we will put 1 and carry up 1 in tens. 1 plus 2 equals 1 plus 1 equals 2. 2 plus 1 equals 3. So equals 30. Then we will put 22 plus 29. 2 plus 9, after 9, 10, 11. We will put 1 and carry up 1 in tens. 1 plus 2 equals 3. 3 plus 2 equals 5. 51. Finally, we will put 30 plus 51. We will put the result together. So 0 plus 1 equals 1. 3 plus 5, after 5, 6, 7, 8. So it will be 81. Number 2. 23 plus 17 plus 12 plus 36. First we will put the first two numbers together. 23 plus 17. 3 plus 7, after 7, 8, 9, 10. We will put 0 and carry up 1 in tens. 1 plus 2 equals 3. 3 plus 1 equals 4. So it will be 40. Then we will put 12 plus 36. 6 plus 2, after 6, 7, 8. 3 plus 1 equals 4. 48. Finally, we will put 40 plus 48. 0 plus 8 equals 8. 4 plus 4 equals 8. 88. Number 3. 22 plus 19 plus 18 plus 14. First, we will put two numbers together. 22 plus 18. 2 plus 8, after 8, 9, 10. So we will put 0 and carry up 1 in tens. 1 plus 2 equals 3. 3 plus 1 equals 4. So it will be 40. Then we will put two numbers together. 19 plus 14. 9 plus 4, after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. We will put 3 and carry up 1 in tens. 1 plus 1 equals 2. 2 plus 1 equals 3. 33. Finally, we will put 40 plus 33. 0 plus 3 equals 3. 4 plus 3, after 4, 5, 6, 7. So it will be 73. Thank you, grade 2. See you in next chapter, inshallah. Bye bye.